Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo Zelle account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Wells Fargo Zelle payment activity? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Wells Fargo Zelle payment activity anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your contractors request that you pay them through Zelle, and maybe they're saying they never received the payment, so you need to check your payment activity. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see your Zelle payment activity, here on the top center, you're going to click on Transfer and Pay. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on the button called Send Money with Zelle. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and you want to click here on Activity. Okay, we'll do that. You're going to see these 3 buttons are here. So send is going to be any activity that you sent out with your Zelle Wells Fargo. Received is if somebody sent you payments. Let me click on it. Okay, you can see I had 2 different payments through Receive, and then Requests. This is if somebody sent you a payment request through Zelle. Now, if you don't see the payment activity for your Zelle here, you can go to your paper banking statements and then pull up the transaction history there, but you need to know the date that the transaction supposedly happened, and that way you can verify on the paper statement. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Wells Fargo payment activity, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.